Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm excited. I actually made some molds. They're not perfect. It doesn't matter. At least now I know that I can do that with this mold, dental molding stuff. Get that stuff off of there. I put water in one of these and put it on my scale to weigh it as I pour the water in, and they take 3.85 ounces. So I'm going to try to do some stuff. I watched another crafting channel for something else, and I saw a picture of a tiger coaster. Very cool. And I thought, okay, I'm going to do a tiger, a zebra, a giraffe, and try to do maybe a crocodile skin. Those seem to be the easiest ones I think that I could actually replicate. I don't have the colors that she had, but I'll do the best I can. I can mix and match. You can mix micas. Okay, I'll leave these to cure, and then we will embellish, and then we'll put a top coat, and then we'll take them out of the mold. Okay, this is, I think this is hard enough I can draw on it. I've got craftsmart. I've got some Posca pens, but I'm just going to use my craftsmart. So this is the giraffe. Turned out really brown. And my tiger, look at my tiger. That doesn't look like tiger skin. Oh well. What do you think? I think they're pretty cool. But let's go in for a close-up first. There's my tiger. He's a dark tiger. There's my giraffe. I think I could improve on that. And there's my zebra. And there's my crocodile. Okay, once that dries, I'll put some resin on top. And I don't need to show you that because it's just a clear resin. You just pour it on and let it cure. And I'll come back when we're ready to pull. Okay, these are ready to come apart. Let's do the giraffe. I want to see how my new mold worked. Pretty good. The back is not really what we were going for anyway, so here's the front. A giraffe. Kind of not, there's kind of like a letdown with the big reveal, isn't there? This has got, you see that? It's almost like a hazing. I wonder if that's from the alcohol. Ooh, that's got a lot of it. Not much of a tiger on that side, is there? I over poured. I'm gonna have to clean that all off. I'll use an X-Acto knife. And my crocodile. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna get a paper towel here real quick. Figure out if that haze will come off. I don't know. Nope, it won't come off. So I'll have to do maybe a light sand and then do just a dome. I like the sparkle in this one. That's pretty. What do you think? Oh, these are too big. I can't get them on my hand. Pretty cool, eh? There we go. I'm playing cards. I got one missing. Well, I'm a little disappointed in the flashing. Not flashing. Hazing. I've never had that happen before using alcohol, so I have no idea what caused it. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you stopping in and visiting. I love your comments. Let me know what you think. What kind of animal print should I do? Could do a cheetah. Don't know what else I could do. But anyway, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. That always helps. Doesn't cost you anything. So, and it would be, I would greatly appreciate it. So, be happy, be kind to one another, and we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.